How to start an LLC in Florida. Starting an LLC in Florida is a straightforward process that offers liability protection and flexibility. By following essential steps such as naming your business, filing necessary documents, and obtaining EIN, you can establish a solid foundation for your venture. These are the steps to help you start. Choose a name for your LLC. Selecting a suitable name for your LLC is the first and crucial step in the formation process. The name must be unique and distinguishable from existing businesses registered in Florida. It is required to include LLC or liability company in the name. Additionally, certain words are restricted, such as bank or insurance, which may require special permissions. Conducting a thorough name search on the Florida Division of Corporations website can help ensure that your chosen name is available and compliant with the state regulations. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent acts as the official point of contact for your LLC, receiving legal documents and important correspondence on behalf of the company. In Florida, you can appoint an individual resident or a business entity authorized to conduct businesses in the state as your registered agent. It's essential to choose someone reliable who is available during regular business hours, as they will be responsible for receiving service of process and other legal notices. File articles of organization. To officially form your LLC, you must file the Articles of Organization with the Florida Division of Corporations. This document includes essential information about your business, such as its name, principal address, and registered agent's details. You can file online or by mail, and there is a filing fee of $125. Once submitted, the state will review your application, and upon approval, your LLC will be officially recognized. Create an operating agreement. While not legally required in Florida, drafting an operating agreement is highly advisable for LLCs with multiple members. This internal document outlines the management structure, operational procedures, and ownership percentage of each member. It serves as a guideline for how decisions are made and how profits and losses are distributed among members. Having a clear operating agreement can help prevent misunderstandings and disputes in the future. Obtain an Employer Identification Number or EIN. An Employer Identification Number is necessary for tax purposes and is often required when opening a business bank account or hiring employees. You can obtain EIN from the IRS at no cost by completing an online application on their website. The process is straightforward and typically provides you with your EIN immediately upon completion. Having this number is essential for maintaining compliance with federal tax obligations. Register for state taxes. Depending on the nature of your business activities, you may need to register for various state taxes in Florida. For example, if you plan to sell goods or services subject to sales tax, you must register with the Florida Department of Revenue to collect sales tax from customers. Additionally, if you have employees, you will need to register for unemployment insurance tax and other relevant state taxes. Understanding your tax obligations early on can help you avoid penalties later. File annual reports. To keep your LLC in good standing with the state of Florida, you are required to file an annual report each year between January 1st and May 1st. This report updates or confirms your LLC's information on record with the Florida Division of Corporations, including its address and registered agent details. Failure to file on time can result in penalties or even dissolution of your LLC. Open a business bank account. Once your LLC is established, it's crucial to open a separate business bank account to manage its finances effectively. Keeping personal and business finances distinct helps maintain liability protection offered by the LLC structure and simplifies accounting process during tax season. When opening a business account, you will typically need to present your EIN, articles of organization, and any other required documentation from your bank to ensure compliance with banking regulations. Establishing an LLC in Florida provides valuable legal protections and operational flexibility for your business. By diligently following the outlined steps, you can ensure compliance with the state regulations, paving the way for a successful and sustainable entrepreneurial journey. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.